welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we're diving into something that looks like a beast on the outside but feels like a mansion on the inside. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, and trust me, what you're about to see will completely redefine the way you think about luxury travel. Imagine taking the raw power of a legendary Kenworth rig and combining it with the elegance of a five-star suite on wheels. That's exactly what this motorhome delivers. From the very first glance, the T2000 commands respect. Its bold aerodynamic design hasn't just been modernized, it's been perfected for both style and efficiency. But it's once you step inside that the true magic begins. Forget about cramped RV interiors. This motorhome opens up into a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than anything on the road. The living area greets you with plush leather seating, ambient lighting, and wide panoramic windows that bring the outside world right into your lounge. Every detail has been engineered to maximize comfort, from reclining seats with built-in massagers to the integrated entertainment hub that gives you cinema-level sound and visuals while you relax. Move into the kitchen and you'll find a chef's paradise on wheels. Stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even smart storage solutions that make cooking on the road as seamless as cooking at home. It's all wrapped in sleek wood and metallic finishes that scream sophistication. The bedroom is where this motorhome truly feels like a mansion. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, climate control at your fingertips, and customizable mood lighting make it a personal retreat after a long day on the highway. Storage is cleverly integrated so you never feel cluttered, and the soft textures and finishes rival what you'd find in luxury hotels. The bathroom continues the story of elegance, with a full glass enclosed shower, rainfall shower head, premium fixtures, and a vanity that feels like it belongs in a modern home rather than a truck conversion. Hot water pressure and spacious design, everything has been perfected for ultimate comfort. But don't forget, this is still a Kenworth. Underneath all this luxury, the T2000 is powered by a robust engine designed for long hauls, with advanced driver assist features, cutting-edge navigation, and a cockpit that makes the driver feel just as pampered as the passengers. It's not just a motorhome, it's a command center on wheels. So is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome just a truck? Absolutely not. It's a rolling mansion, a luxury hotel, and a powerhouse of engineering blended into one breathtaking machine. If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you take this mansion on wheels for a cross-country trip?